Guys, so this is the new Lexus Electrified Sport that might be potentially replacing the LFA. What do you guys think? Well, obviously, the V10 engine and the exhaust is just unmatchable with the electric cars. But what about the design? What do you guys think about that design? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like this design? I think it's pretty cool, but you see that long hood? That would be epic to put a V10 in there. But unfortunately, it's gonna be electric. This car looks a little bit long, and it looks like a front engine car. Got the concept right here, guys. You can't see the interior, it's all tinted out. Might not be done yet, I'm not sure. Look at the rear design. It's like a fusion of the Toyota Supra concept and a little bit of the Audi element right there and the Porsche element right there. I think it does look pretty cool. The first look of the Lexus Electrified Sports.
You see in front of you, the Electrified Sport is a glimpse into the brand's exciting zero emissions performance future. A lot of people are calling this sort of the spiritual successor to the LFA, but if you can believe it, at a performance level significantly higher from that great Lexus supercar. They're estimating the 0-60 time of at or under 2 seconds, a range of 430 miles. And I think most importantly, this vehicle is intended to exemplify the Lexus driving signature, which is sort of a universal performance theme now with every Lexus vehicle, including the stunning RZ behind you, the first all-electric Lexus SUV there. The IS 500 was the first vehicle to actually come through that Lexus driving signature as the ultimate proving ground. You got to remember, most Formula One tracks these days that are brand new are like 3, 4, maybe 500 million. We're talking over $2 billion to build effectively a better version of Nürburgring to produce vehicles like this. So, Kevin, it is so stunning to see this in person. It's my first, as I walked in here 30 minutes ago, I was at a loss for words. I was hoping you would talk us through the design a little bit because there's nothing else like this anywhere in the world right now. And if we could start up front, there is so much going on just with the front end here. Head on, if you excuse me there. It is significantly wider than just about any high-performance car I've ever seen.
It's wider and lower than most of them, and we did that on purpose. You know, this car, it's an emotional statement. You know, clearly, you know, racing is.
Guys, this is the designer of the new Lexus Electrified Sport, and he also designed an FT1 Toyota Supra concept.